Oh my god. Oh, she bought back. She bought back.
Arm waving.
Arm waving.
Double arm waving.
Oh my god, is that good?
I don't know.
I think so.
I think she's too busy shedding.
I don't care. She's like waving her arm. She waved her arm. Oh. She's waving her arm. She's waving her arm. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Oh, and again.
And is that good?
No. Don't speak, dragon.
You wouldn't know since this is your pet. Come on, Dexter, go. You're so ready for it at the moment. She's bought. Look. Is that good?
She's just trying to get out of the tank.
Oh.
Yeah.
So she's retarded right now. Oh?
Into the water.
He's like trying to get his like
Reflection.
Oh wow.
The two of them.
Oh my god, they just got their they just saw both their reflection, didn't they?
Yeah.
Wow. This is why they're wow, they would make really dumb babies.
Oh yeah. Like pretty babies, but really dumb babies.
Oh my god, but they're so cute though. Look at them. Oh. Oh my god, this is the so stupidest thing ever. Look at Dexter.
I know. He's fairly stupid. I think Puff's kind of figured it out by now.
Hi, Dexter. You're punked. No, I'm kidding. Now go mate. Great, sit in the water.
She wants to shed.
Oh, but does she want to fuck too?
Oh my
Sorry. Is that too loud?
God. A little.
Oh? They're just talking.
Yep.
What does that mean? Arik, you should know.
Oh, he's done.
Wait.
Wait, no, I think he's looking at his reflection.
Puff, what do you have to say about this? I don't know, Yana.
Oh.
I'm just so pretty. And this dumbass right here.
Okay, I think they're done. I'm gonna go put Puff back.
Aw, why can't they be together?
Because Puff needs to be in her tank.
Well, that was an interesting 3 minutes. Right, Dexter? I think he agrees. So does Puff.
They're both nodding.
They're both nodding. Why?
They're talking.
This is really interesting, though. Hi, Puff. Hi, Dexter. Oh. Well, Puff? Great. Well, Dexter? Puff is trying to figure out what's going on. She can't accept reality.
They're looking at her reflection, trying to get out.